As a kid, I always dreamt of traveling, exploring, and documenting places in my own way. But as young adulthood started approaching, those small dreams started fading away. College ended, responsibilities came, and yet things started getting irritating. And somewhere in between, I had a thought that this is what life is all about, and it burned me down. But I didn't know what was waiting for me. Extraordinary life? What does that even mean? I guess it started with a 10-day road trip to Uttarakhand with a few friends, crazy enough to chase and document the immense beauty of Uttarakhand and Himalayas.
ये सच में हो रहा है क्या शशांक और
We left the city behind, and with it, a comfort zone. This wasn't just a trip, it was therapy on wheels. We reached our first destination, Nainital, and Naina Peak gave us our first taste of altitude and silence that said more than words. For me, somewhere or the other, I was finding more about myself. Who am I? And in that golden silence, my heart stopped. So we reached the top of Naina Peak, and the view literally felt unreal. One side had the Himalayas full of colors, like someone just went wild with a paintbrush. Blues, purple, pinks, the kind of view you just stare at in silence. And the other side, the sunset was turning everything golden. It was wild. One side felt like a dream, and the other felt like peace. Moments like these make you feel like, yeah, this is what life is all about.
शफ शफ तुम गलत तो नहीं करके आए हो गलत तो नहीं करके आए हो
Continuing our road trip, the next destination was Chopta. And somewhere in between, we crashed our drone.
ऐसे सी शॉट ले ले 20% लूंगा जितने का ड्रोन है कितने का है वैसे 1,25,000 का बट इसने 90,000 को लिया तो फिर 30 लूंगा
But before reaching Chopta, we did find our drone. एंड सुबह के 4 बजे का वक्त था. ठंड में हाथ जम रहे थे, पर दिल में एक एक्साइटमेंट थी क्योंकि हम चंद्रशिला की तरफ बढ़ रहे थे. एंड ब्रो, वॉकिंग अंडर अ स्काई फुल ऑफ स्टार, इट फेल्ट लाइक समथिंग मैजिकल वाज अबाउट टू हैपन. रास्ता टफ था, चढ़ाई थी, हवा पतली थी, और जैसे ही हम टॉप पे पहुंचे, Nanda Devi, Kedarnath, Chokamba, Trishul, it was like sky was showing off. उस मोमेंट में सब कुछ रुक गया. ना ठंड महसूस हुई, ना थकान, बस एक सुकून सा था. It felt like a place where time stood still. We climbed through snow, slipped, laughed, cried, cursed. But once we reached the top, it all made sense.
इतना ज़्यादा मुश्किल है पता आप कितने क्रेजी लग रहे हो
ऐसी बहुत कुछ सुना था एंड आज सामने देख रहे हैं. And yet there are many beliefs about Tungnath and Chandrashila, and it is the highest altitude Shiva temple standing on an elevation of 13,000 feet. After the Mahabharat war, जब पांडव शिव जी को ढूंढने तुंगनाथ पहुंचे, so Shiva took a form of Nandi and disappeared into the ground. And it is said that his arms have reappeared at Tungnath. And yet there is another story about Chandrashila. It is believed that Lord Ram meditated at Chandrashila after defeating Ravan. After covering Tungnath, the next day we headed to Deoriatal, which was 50 kilometers away from our stay. So the plan was simple, just a short trek to Deoriatal. Nothing too intense, honestly felt like a morning walk through the forest. But bro, what came next? I didn't see that coming. We reached the top and there it is, the silent lake, not even a repair. And behind it, the entire Himalayan range just standing there like it had been waiting for us. And the best part, it wasn't even that crowd. No noise, just us and a stillness that hit different. The Himalayas weren't just visible, they were glowing. Chokamba looked like it was floating. The lake was so still, it felt like time had stopped. We sat down, no talking, just watching the gods still behind the clouds. And after covering Deoriatal, we reached our final destination, or you can say Oli. Oli की बर्फ में चलना आसान था, पर जब हम नंदा देवी दिखी, सब रुक गया. There she was, standing tall, sacred, untouchable. Felt like the mountains were watching us back, like she owns the whole sky. Afternoon hits different here. You are just chilling, tired maybe, and then you look up, and boom, Nanda Devi just there. Silent, grand, unbothered. It wasn't about the views, it was more about what life has to offer. And the boy I was 10 days ago was not just a boy anymore. And that's when he knew this was extraordinary. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि extraordinary life मिलती है. हम कह रहे हैं तुम्हें उसे बनाना पड़ता है. So go, get lost, fall down, get up, breathe deep. कहीं ना कहीं अपना version of an extraordinary life तुम्हें भी मिल जाएगा. Go live it. This is our story.
Wow. Life is like a movie, guys. इस ट्रेल से आया हूँ चढ़ के और रोड भी नहीं दिख रही है और सामने का ये है बट कुछ श्योर नहीं है वहाँ मिलता है नहीं मिलता. ऊपर तो मैं चढ़ जाऊँगा, नीचे उतरने में बहुत फक होने वाला है बिकॉज पत्थर गिर रहे हैं, मिट्टी गीली है एंड और ये दिखा रहा है पीछे की तरफ. जैसे मैंने अभी इस पे कर रखा है तो इस तरफ नहीं पीछे की तरफ है, इसमें एरो उधर दिखा रहा है. अब मैं ऊपर की तरफ करता हूँ. एक सेकंड. इजी ब्रो, इजी इजी इजी. ओके, ये दिखा रहा है आपका, ये दिखा रहा है ऊपर की तरफ. हाँ, तो उस पेड़ पे चढ़ता हूँ, उस पेड़ की तरफ, वहाँ से देखता हूँ क्या सीन है. यहाँ पे अटका था, यहाँ पे. फिर नहीं मिलता, पेड़ काटना पड़ता. यहाँ ये टैंकर ऐसे अटका हुआ था, ऐसे यहाँ पे पूरा, और अटका था इसके बीच में ये. हाँ, और पहले दिखा रहा था वहाँ को, फिर दिखा रहा नीचे को। ये रहे अंकल, वही तो, ये रहा। यस यस यस, चलो कम ऑन बॉयज। ज्ञानिश